Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can use promo code on daraz app while purchasing something. If you received any message from daraz or if you have a promo code, then you can use that promo code and you can get some handsome discount. So how you will use this? Just open your daraz app on your mobile phone and just open any product where you want to purchase or buy. That's what I will open this one. When open product, just simply click on buy now. When I will click on buy now, here at the bottom you can see the option called confirm to pay. Just above this option, there is written total Rs 1180. Just click on this amount. When you click on this, here you can see at number 3 there option called voucher. Just simply click on this voucher. Now, if you have any daraz code, promo code, voucher code, something, just enter your promo code here. Let's suppose I will write this. When you write your promo code, now just simply click on apply. When you click on apply, if your promo code is valid, then your amount will be reduced and you will get a discount in your final price. So this is a way you can use promo code on daraz app from your mobile phone.